2040, the Philippines will be a prosperous, predominantly middle-class society where no one is poor. But we also want to bring in the other aspects, not just the economic aspects, but also the social, the cultural, institutional, etc. Our peoples are smart and innovative with high regard for sustainable development and quality of life for all. May malasakit. Our peoples will live long and productive lives and continue to nurture their gifts, talents, and passion to contribute to society. And our peoples will live in a high trust and caring society and proudly identify themselves as Filipinos. And this is actually what we mean by strengthening that middle class. Now, I will not have time to discuss the current PDP, but just to say that it's actually a PDP that is also geared towards the ambition, but also includes strategies so that we do not get to the future that we do not want. And this is that we say that it's really about transforming economic and social transformation, which is about digital transformation, improving connectivity, intensifying public-private partnerships, promoting servicification, establishing a dynamic innovation ecosystem, and then enhancing the role of LGUs as partners in development. And we think that this is really the key. This is really the key to, first of all, growing the middle class, and then next, to strengthen the middle class. So once again, thank you very much, and let's all be part of this growing and strengthening the middle class.